They call this place a sanctuary, a living library. I see a gold mine. Every leaf, a patent waiting to happen. Every secret, a billion-dollar cure.
Ella, the forest does not rush its healing. Why should we?
Aloe vera. Aloe vera is known as the king of medicinal plants. Used to treat constipation, digestive distress, acne, poor body immunity. Tulsi. Tulsi is the queen of medicinal plants. Used to treat cough, indigestion, cancer, good for hair loss, heart diseases, diabetes. Mint. This is freshly fragrant medicinal plant. Used to treat, keeps the digestive system running, boosts immunity, enhances mood, expels cough from the body. Fenugreek. Mete, or fenugreek, is an evergreen plant. Both the leaves and the seeds are useful. Used to treat, controls cholesterol levels, purifies blood, beneficial for joint pains and diabetes. Fennel. Fennel, or sof, is a flavorful and aromatic plant. Used to treat cough, controls cholesterol, improves eyesight, cure acidity, prevents bad breath. Coriander. Coriander is an important ingredient of an Indian kitchen. Used to treat, cures urine retention, improves digestion. It regulates your menstrual cycles, treats acne. Ginger. Ginger is the root solution for a wide variety of health problems. Used to treat indigestion, eases headache, controls blood pressure, treats cold, cough, flu, and asthma. Garlic. Garlic is commonly used for conditions related to the heart and blood system. Used to treat, prevent cancers, bronchitis, tuberculosis, high blood pressure, treats cold, cough. Basil. Basil is an herb in the mint family. Used to treat, reducing stress, supporting liver health, fighting cancer, reducing high blood sugar, boosting mental health. Chives. Chives are a green vegetable with a mild onion-like flavor. Used to treat, effect on the circulatory system, lowering the blood pressure. Rosemary. Rosemary is a popular, evergreen shrub. The leaf and its oil are commonly used in food. Used to treat heart disease, stroke, to enhance mental function and memory, anti-cancer activity. Lemongrass. Lemongrass leaves and the oil are used to make medicine. Lemongrass is used as a flavoring. Used to treat, reduces hair dandruff, high blood pressure, stomach and intestinal cramps. Carom. Ajwain, the aromatic seeds, are used in adding flavor to a number of desi drinks. Used to treat upset stomach, diarrhea, gas, and abdominal pain, asthma, Reduce cough. Turmeric. Turmeric is one of the key ingredients in many Asian dishes, used to treat reducing pain and muscle damage, skin treatment, purifying blood. Gooseberries. Gooseberries are edible and can be eaten raw, used to treat diabetes, pain and swelling of the pancreas, cancer, upset stomach, eye problems, joint pain. Winter cherry. Winter cherry, fruit and leaves, are used to make medicine, used to treat increasing urine flow, nerves disorder, fever. Henna. Henna is a plant. The leaf is used to make medicine, used to treat stomach and intestinal ulcers, used in cosmetics, hair dyes, hair care products. Pasidracta indica. Pasidracta indica, commonly known as Neem. It is fast-growing tree, used to treat acne, nourishes skin, fungal infections, increases immunity, control blood sugar levels. Lavender. Lavender oil is believed to have antiseptic, which can help to heal minor burns and bug bites, used to treat headaches, skin fungal infections, healing for joint and muscle pain. Marigold. The marigold, a pretty, all-purpose plant with a wide range of medicinal effects, used to treat irritated skin problems like burns and rashes, supporting healthy digestion. Bacopa monnieri. Bacopa monnieri, also called Brahmi, is a staple plant in traditional Ayurvedic medicine, used to treat improving memory, reducing stress, heart disease, diabetes. Vinca. Vinca is also called periwinkle. Vinca is a lovely small plant used to treat diabetes, high blood pressure, cancer. Clove. Clove trees are tropical evergreen tree, and its small reddish-brown flowered buds used as a spice, used to treat pain during dental work, improved digestion, reduced cancer risk, relieving stress. Lemon balm. Lemon balm is an herb from the mint family, used to treat, reduce stress, promote sleep, ease pain and discomfort from indigestion. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is used to boost energy and reduce stress, used to treat, calm the brain, reduce swelling, lower blood pressure, alter the immune system. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel.
We do not hide it, Doctor. We protect it. From men like you. Men who see price but not value.
She knew. She always knew. This wasn't about sharing wisdom. It was a test.
The world is dying out there. It needs more than your patience.
No.
It needs more of our respect. Before laboratories, there was the forest. It remembers what men choose to forget. Healing is not an act of force. It is a return to balance.